In this video, we will see how to install Microsoft SQL Server on openSUSE and use Azure Data Studio to connect to the database. We will also use Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio from a Windows machine to connect to the instance of SQL Server running on an openSUSE machine. Open the Microsoft website and select the section for installing and connecting to SUSE. The website link is included in the description. First, download SQL Server. Copy this command and paste it into the terminal, then press Enter. Refresh repositories using this command. Follow the next steps to ensure that the Microsoft package signing key is installed on the system. Install Ms Sql Server using this command. After completing the installation, run the Ms SQL Server setup command to set the administrator password and choose the edition. Here, we select option 2 for the developer option. Set the SQL Server System Administrator password. Verify that the service is running by using the following command. The status should be active. If you plan to connect remotely, you might need to follow these steps. Download and install Azure Data Studio. The link is in the description. Download the software. Open the terminal in the download folder. Install it using this command. Open Azure Data Studio. Select Connections, and add a new connection. Set the server as localhost, the user as SA, and enter the administrator password you created. Then, click Connect. Open a new query and create a new database using this query. Run the query, the database is created. Then create a user. The new user is listed here. Edit the connection with the new user. Select the database and connect. Now, create a table called Customers, and add some data to the table. Let's see how to connect to this database from a Windows machine using Ms SQL Server Management Studio. Enter the IP address or the machine name. You'll see the database and table that were created in Azure Studio. It's also possible to add data from here. Check if the data is updated in Azure Studio. Okay, it's updated. Thank you for watching.